Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel Success EduTech. I am Sonali. Still we are learning about plants, microbes and human welfare. In that we are going to learn about how plant breeding is helpful in developing resistance against the insect. Now please watch the complete video and please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Watch my previous videos also. Link is given in the description. So we will start our today's lesson. How plant breeding is helpful to form a resistance in the plant against the insects. Now, another major cause for the large-scale destruction of the crop plant is called insect or pest infestation. Means, as we know that suppose the group of insects can attack on the plant, it can cause the disease to the plant. So we require a plant which can have the resistance to prevent it from the insect disease. So, and that group of insects which attack on the plant can cause the disease is known as insect and the pest infestation. Now, see how the plant develop resistance against the insect, and that is due to the morphologically, means the formation like shape, structure in that area, how the plant is formed. Now, biochemically and physiological characteristic is important. Now, so which characteristic in the plants are going to help the plants to save it or to prevent it from the diseases or to form the resistance into that plant? So, suppose example, hairy leaves in several plants are associated with resistance to the insect pest. So, example, resistance to jesseed in cotton, like this. Then second, resistance to cereal leaf beetle in wheat. Then in wheat, solid stem lead to non-preference by stems of fly. Now, smooth leaves. Another characteristic is smooth leaves and nectar-less cotton do not attract the bollworm. That is, it can form the resistance to the bollworm. See, like this. Now, high aspartic acid, low nitrogen and sugar content in maize lead to form a resistance into the maize stem borers. Now, some release crop varieties breed by hybridization method. I explained it in the last videos. So, hybridization method, selection and for insect pest resistance. Now, see in this table, crop is given, variety of crop and insect species. The crop is Brassica, Rapis mustard, variety is Pusagoro and the insect's name is aphid. Then crop is flat bean, variety Pusa stem 2, Pusa stem 3. Then insect species is jesseed, aphid and fruit borer. Okra bindi or ladyfinger, variety is Pusa sovani, Pusa A4, shoot and fruit borer. Now, see Pusagoro variety of Brassica is resistance to aphid. Now this insect aphid against that this plant is resistant. See in this picture it's shown. Now Pusa stems 2, Pusa stem 3 of flat bean are resistant to insect like jesseed, aphid and fruit borer. See Pusa stems 2 and this is Pusa stems 3. Now Pusa savani, Pusa A4 varieties of okra means bindi are resistant to shoot and fruit borer. See this picture. Now, plant breeding for improved food quality. Now, as we are eating food daily, it is a very necessary part of human life. So, we want the improved food quality, and for that, we require a plant breeding, improved plant breeding in a large proportion. More than 840 million people in the world do not have adequate food to meet their daily food and nutritional requirement. As we know that in our India also, many people are suffering from many diseases, weakness, malnutrition. This is because of less food quantity and less nutritional requirement. So for that, plant breeding can helpful, which form a improved food quality. A far greater number, 3 billion people suffer from micronutrient, protein and vitamin deficiencies or hidden hunger. because they cannot afford to buy enough fruits, vegetables, legumes, fish and meat. They can't buy these proper quality fruits, vegetables, legumes, fish and meat. So they can suffer from these diseases, which deficiency of micronutrient, protein, vitamin deficiencies, etc. Diet lacking essential micronutrient. Now these, which are the essential micronutrient? That is iron, vitamin A, iodine, zinc, increase the risk of the disease, that is reduce the lifespan and affect the mental abilities also. Breeding crops with higher level of vitamin and minerals or higher protein and healthier fats is known as biofortification. So we want the plant which include all these characteristics, which can give us vitamins, minerals, higher protein and healthier fats also, to form a biofortification, to complete the biofortification. The biofortification aims is what? That the breeding crops with higher level of vitamin, minerals and higher protein, it can include. Now, breeding for improved nutritional quality is undertaken with the objectives of improving protein content and quality is very, very important objective. Then second one is oil content and the quality. Now, third one is vitamin content. Fourth one is micronutrient and mineral content. Now, in the year 2000, maize hybrid that had twice the amount of amino acid, lysine and tryptophan. These are the amino acids compared to existing maize hybrid. So a maize hybrid include these amino acid, lysine and tryptophan, which are very, very important. At last, 66 variety of the wheat has high protein content, which wheat include high protein content. It has been used as a donor for improving cultivated wheat. So this variety at last 66 can use as a donor to improve the again cultivated wheat. Now iron fortified rice has 5 times much iron than commonly consumed rice. So golden rice contains as much as beta carotene, that is the vitamin A. Now IARI at New Delhi has also released several vegetable crops that are rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A enriched crops. Now that is the carrot. Then second one is vitamin A enriched crop is which again? Spinach. Then vitamin A enriched crops is pumpkin also. Now vitamin C enriched crops is bitter gourd, then bathua, then the chinopodium and king of green vegetable, this vegetable, then mustard, vitamin C include in the mustard, then tomato also, tomato can give us vitamin C, then iron and calcium enriched crops are which? That is bathua, spinach. It include iron and calcium. Protein enriched beans crops are broad beans, lab, French bean and garden pea. See these broad beans and lab also. It gives us protein. French beans also gives us protein and garden pea also. Now see the MCQs of this lesson. Students, if you understood this lesson completely, all the 4 parts of this lesson, you can easily give the answer of these MCQs, and these MCQs are very, very important for the NEET exam. So the first MCQ is resistance of the host plant means. Options are ability to attack the disease, second, ability to prevent the pathogen from causing disease, third, causing infection and damage, and fourth, all the above. What will be the answer? That is the resistance means ability to prevent the pathogen from causing disease. Second one, brown rust of the wheat is an example of bacterial disease, viral disease, then fungal disease, or none of these. Now, what is the answer? That is the fungal disease. Brown rust is caused due to the fungi. So, Pusa Sadabahar is a plant variety of which crop? Wheat, then brassica, then chili, and then cauliflower? Answer is chili. Now here our lesson is complete, all the 4 chapter. So please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video.